you're playing tomorrow?
I don't know. It's kind of taking each day one day at a time. Really, haven't really um, put a lot of thought into anything else than just attacking rehab and every challenge that they give me every single day. So it's all kind of subjective on how things go.
Who will make the final decision? Would it be you? Would it be everybody as a group?
I think everybody. I mean, that's why we have the team doctors. That's why we have the training staff that we do. They've done a great job so far of putting together an awesome rehab plan and pushing me and getting to this point. So it'll continue to be a team thing.
When it first happened, we were told that it might be up to 8 weeks. Obviously, this is closer. What did you think? Or did you even have any idea how long it might happen?
I was kind of under the assumption that it kind of is off of feel. I think that was like the timeline that was put out. But at the end of the day, it ultimately depends on how you feel, how things progress. So I think we've taken a look at each step that I've had to pass, and we'll kind of go off that.
At Shootaround yesterday, you were doing a lot of screen roll stuff. You were dunking, shooting, doing a lot of things. When you do that stuff, are you feeling any pain in that knee, or do you feel good to go tomorrow? It's just like a decision that you have to make.
I haven't felt any pain or anything with any of the challenges or goals they've set for me. At any point through this whole rehab process, but as far as tomorrow, like I said, that'll be a decision that we make as a team.